Hello, my name is Kevin O'Sullivan. This is the KOS Forex Academy education course. What is Forex trading? Well, Forex is an acronym for foreign exchange, and in the foreign exchange market, which is a global market, banks, institutions, high net worth individuals, governments, and even small retail traders with $200 or $300 can all have a crack at trading currencies by betting which one is going to go up against the others. And on the screen at the moment we can see a major currency pair. It's the Euro US dollar. This is the most heavily traded currency pair on the market, and it's shown in the form of a line graph. Now, on the basis of what you can see at the front of you, it'll be very hard to try and have an educated guess as to which way the currency pair is about to move. It looks like complete and utter chaos. So what we've done at KOS Forex Academy is to devise some color-coded indicators which really help to give a much clearer and precise picture about what's happening in the market and then how to trade accordingly. Now, these particular bars are called Japanese candlesticks, and we've changed them from the normal line chart. And what we can see here is that the blue bars represent price moving in an upward direction, and the red bars price moving in a downward direction. Now, each one of these candlesticks will tell us a different picture. So in this area here we can see that the candlesticks are flat, market isn't really going anywhere, and it then starts to move downwards. It still tells us the story of what's happening here, and we do explain in the course how to read these candlesticks. Price starts to move up again, and we can see this ebb and flow which consistently happens throughout the market on a regular basis, and whereby it will present opportunities to trade this particular pair with great accuracy. So here we have another indicator. This is called a stochastic indicator, and it's represented by two lines going up and down. And once again, we've color coded these so that when the blue is on top, it represents a movement upwards, and when the red is over the blue, it represents a movement downwards. And what typically happens is that when these lines move upwards to this 80% line, the market is considered to be overbought, and conversely, when it moves downwards to this 20% line, it's considered to be oversold. So what we can see here is that at this particular area here, if I just move this up here, we can see that the market flattens out here. It's become overbought, and the blue candlesticks are then overtaken by the red candlesticks in terms of movement to the downside, and these coincide with the stochastic movement here, which bottoms out of this particular area, and price starts to move upwards. It becomes overbought here, price starts to move downwards, and generally speaking this will happen many times throughout the day, and this is just an indicator, so we have to take it into consideration with other things and other indicators. We do not simply sell at this point just because the market has become overbought, or buy at this point here because the market has become oversold. There are other factors that we need to take into consideration. So here we have another tool that automatically uploads onto your particular trading screen, and it tells us key levels, or what we like to call targets, that traders trade to and from on a regular basis. So for example, here we can see that the market has topped out right bang on our key target level. It's tried to come lower, it's become oversold, moved up to our key target area again. It has come up and pushed forward above the line and eventually moved up to our other target area here. It's flirted with the particular target area before moving up to this target area, moving down, and we see this ebb and flow on a regular basis to and from these particular key target areas. This software comes and is provided with the course, but we see it on a regular basis. Now our course is an A to Z 60 module course, including text, audio, videos and pictures, and it tells you everything you need to know about what's happening in the markets, how they operate, what sort of time frames they operate through, and all the key players, and more importantly where to determine your risk and set stop losses in place, key target areas to trade to, and everything with regard to all the software that will be coming free of charge within the actual package itself. It really is a superb and extremely cost-effective way to learn how to trade the currencies and potentially give yourself some extra income in terms of a secondary income stream, or even how to potentially give up your current job and start a new career as a financial trader. So we look forward to hearing from you on the course. Thank you.